Hello students, today we are going to construct an angle equal in a measure to a given angle using a compass and ruler. It clearly means that suppose that one angle is already given to you, then how to draw the copy of that same angle that we are going to learn today. So observe each and every steps carefully and try to follow it. As given in the point, we have to construct a copy of given angle. So for that purpose, one original angle must be there. So I am drawing here one angle without any measurement. Any measurement is not taken here. Directly I am drawing one angle. I am naming that angle as A, B, C. This is our angle ABC. Now we are going to draw a same copy of angle ABC. Okay. To draw the copy of angle, we have to take some distance in our compass. Just adjust your pencil in compass and then take few distance, some distance nearly 2 centimeter or more than 2 centimeter, but less than 3 or 4 centimeter. It must not be much larger or too smaller. There must be few distance between the compass. Now match the pointer of the compass at the vertex of the angle. Here at the vertex of the angle you have to match the pointer of the compass as I am following the steps. This is the vertex of the angle and I am matching that pointer of the compass with that vertex, and then by using pencil we have to draw one arc which will intersect to the both arms of the angle. To both arms, to both sides of the angle, the arc must be intersect. Here we are getting two new points where the arc is getting intersected, that are I am naming it as point E and point F. Okay. So now we are begin to construct the copy. To make a copy of given angle, we have to first draw the base part of the angle that we know as given in our original figure. It is BC that we have drawn. Okay. Whatever distance we have took in compass to make a arc at first angle, at given angle, in original angle, by using same that distance we have to mark one arc starting from point B. It means that we have to match the pointer of the compass to the vertex of angle, and same like first we have to draw one arc here. Okay, just you have to draw one arc here. Now as given in first figure, the point of intersection in first figure on arm BC, that point is known as F. So in this diagram also we will name it as a F. Okay. Now we are going to construct arm AB, and for this we must need point E first. And to draw point E, we have to take compass, match the pointer of the compass at point F and adjust the distance. See, you can see here it was first distance, it is bigger, it is longer than point E and F distance. So we have to adjust our pencil up to point E, exactly up to point E. Okay, whether it is exactly matched or not, to check that we can mark one arc there also. Okay, so one arc I have marked here which is intersecting to our first arc. Now don't change the distance between this pencil and pointer of compass. Follow the same step in our answer diagram. Keep the pointer of compass on point F and mark one arc which will intersect to our first arc. Okay, here we have got point E, means point where the arc is getting intersect to each other. That point is point E. And now we are at the last stage of this construction. If you join point B and point E, then we are getting arm A, B here. Okay, this is a point A, B, C. So complete angle ABC as given in first diagram we have drawn it. Okay, this is first angle ABC, then angle ABC as it is we have drawn. Okay, so in this way we can construct an angle in an equal measure to given angle. Now this was our given angle. We can verify it by using protractor. Till that we should not use protractor. Here for this construction we should use pencil, compass and scale only. Okay, and to verify it we have to use protractor. So here I am measuring the distance of first angle. It is 47 degree. Okay, this measurement from 0 up to here it is 47 degree. As we have make copy, we have make same angle given, so second angle must be of 47 degree only. And you can see here point B vertex I have matched it, then 0 line also I have matched, and this is a 47 degree angle. So in this way we can make a copy of given angle, means we can construct an angle equal in measure to the given angle by using only compass and ruler.